Hey there, thank you so much for allowing me to send you this video. My name is Joelle and I'm with Zoe SEO and Web Design. Basically, I'm going to show you the three main things that Google is looking for when a search is made. This will help you to begin to outrank your competitors on Google and ultimately bring in those customers and that revenue from the use of your website here. I create these videos because I know that most small business owners do not have the time to learn how to make the internet and the use of their website bring in more customers. They also don't know who's an expert and really knows what they're doing when it comes to SEO. So I found when I'm able to create these videos and give them away for free, a lot of business owners will take what I share with them and do it themselves. Then some will call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do is totally cool with me, although I would love to help you in whatever way I can. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the three main things that are involved with search engine optimization, or SEO. These are content, backlinks, and citations. Implementing these three components will be what gets those potential customers to your site. The first thing we need to do is make sure you have a lot of content. The average website that ends up on the first page of Google should have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. This is all the text, your titles, and what your images are saved as. Once you get more content than your competitor, you will blow them out of the water. And within the content, you'll want to make sure you have buyer intent search terms. And buyer intent, well, search terms are keywords. A keyword is just a phrase someone types into Google. Buyer intent means that they need the service and they're not just wanting to look at an image or learn about something. So in other words, if I were to type in electrical contractor, looks like you have it 4 times, and then add Indio. This would be buyer intent, because this is where we are looking for contractors. So you definitely want to add those search areas that you want to be found in, any kind of services that you offer that people are searching for. You want to add that content in your website so that you can be found. So content is number one. And number two is backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important. Google ranks your value on the authority those other websites give you. And Google wants to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company. So, but keep in mind, they want to see relevant links, which means it will give you a lot more power if you have another construction company, electrical company linking to you than, say, a Pizza Hut or something. So the tool I use here is called Ahrefs, and this tool shows me the amount of keywords you are ranking for and the amount of backlinks that your website has. Currently, you have 17 websites linking to you, giving power to 88 backlinks. Now, when I searched for electrical contractors in Indio, Hedge Electric came up, electrical came up, and they currently have 29 websites linking to them and empowering 130 backlinks. So basically all you would want to do is find out what these 29 websites are, visit them, and add a link back to your site, which would be like your URL here. And you can, most of the time, just create a profile and add a link in the profile or put a comment somewhere. So then if you add your URL to all of these websites, add the necessary content and more relevant backlinks, this is how you will beat your competitor on Google search organically. So now if you want to beat your competitor in Google ads, then you'll need to bid higher than your competitors here. And if you want to beat your competitors in the maps section here, then you'll need to have more citations than your competitor. A citation is anywhere where your business's name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories. A directory is a website like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List. These are websites that will allow you to list your business's information. Find out where these competitors are listed, then add your business's information to more directories than they have. If they're listed in 150 directories, you should be listed in 300. So this is a quick overview. I hope you found it helpful and informative. I tried to keep it short and to the point. As a quick recap, you'll want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page. You want to have more websites linking to you than your competitor, and you will want to have your business's name, address, and phone number put in more directories than your top search competitor. And if you follow these tips, this is how you'll become #1 across the search engine results page here in Google. I recommend you get started as soon as possible. It does take time to implement all of this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you will start profiting from your website. If you have any questions, or you would just rather have someone handle this for you while you keep running your business, please feel free to give me a call, or you can respond to the email. My number is at the bottom of the email, and if I'm not already working with another electrical company in India, then I would be more than happy to help out. All I ask is that you please give me some feedback on this video. Just respond to the email. Let me know what you thought of it, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.